Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to transfer money from your Direct Express card to your Chime account in 2025. If you're receiving federal benefits or just looking to move funds seamlessly, this guide is for you. With updates in 2025 making transfers even faster and more secure, you'll be set up in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both accounts ready. Direct Express is your go-to for benefits like Social Security, and Chime offers fee-free banking. Start by logging into your Direct Express account via their mobile app or website. You'll need your login credentials handy. Don't worry, it's straightforward and secure. Once you're in, navigate to the Transfer or Send Money section. In 2025, Direct Express has integrated better with popular apps like Chime, so look for an option to add external accounts. Here, you'll enter your Chime account details, such as the routing and account numbers, which you can find in your Chime app under Account Information. Double-check everything to avoid any hiccups. Next, select the amount you want to transfer. Keep an eye on any potential fees. Direct Express might charge a small one, but Chime is usually free on their end. Hit Confirm and verify the transaction with your PIN or security code. In 2025, expect quicker processing times, often within minutes, thanks to enhanced partnerships. After initiating the transfer, monitor your Chime account to ensure the funds arrive. If there's a delay, check for any holds or contact customer support for both services. Pro tip: always transfer during business hours to speed things up and avoid weekends when banks might be slower. And that's it, you've successfully moved money from Direct Express to Chime. This process not only helps with better financial management but also keeps your funds accessible wherever you go. If you run into issues, remember to stay patient and reach out for help. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped, subscribe for more finance tips, and I'll see you in the next video.